My bedroom is a mess at the moment, but I know this is what you've all been waiting for, so ta-da! When I went to the store last week, obviously, if you haven't watched last week's video, you should go watch that. So following on from last week's video, if you haven't seen that yet, you should check it out. I went to the new Balenciaga store on Bond Street, New Bond Street. I think it's the biggest store in Europe or even the world. It's like 3 floors. It's literally my dream. And I picked up a couple of things. So I thought I would do, it's not exactly an unboxing because I already opened these on Instagram and I wore these for, a shoot with Tom the other day as well. So I'll be posting those pics soon. But I got the hard crocs, which are a collaboration actually with Crocs. Like on the bottom it says designed in collaboration with Crocs. Because on so you can see here on the bottom it says Balenciaga in collaboration with Crocs. So they are just like an actual croc but with the platform. This isn't the first time Balenciaga has done a collaboration with Crocs, but these definitely are my favorite. I've not really enjoyed, they did the ones with the heel recently, and they've done like the pool slide kind of things, which also had a platform. They've also done the croc boot, which I tried on, which I did really like, but I didn't see myself wearing that often. He says as he holds these. And then in the past, they've done like a super platformed croc as well. That's all I can think of at the moment, but these ones are insane. People did say on my Instagram reels that they reminded them of New Rocks, which is completely true. Like they're definitely inspired. They're like heavy metal croc style shoes. So I definitely see the New Rock inspiration. New Rock also sounds like croc, and they're called the hard crocs. So there's definite inspiration from there. You've got these big metal pieces of hardware that say like Balenciaga here on the back and on the front, and then obviously have the one underneath as well, and then you have these like BB metal screws all around, and then the actual croc itself, which I think is just a regular croc. I don't know because I've never had regular crocs. But I thought of something fun. So me and Scott painted the bedroom at the weekend, which I'll show you in a second, but we also have some new bedding as well, which I want to put on the bed. So I thought I'd put these on and do some housework. They aren't the only thing that I got at the Balenciaga store as well. I picked up these sunglasses. I think they're the expander sunglasses. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm obsessed. I've been wanting a pair of Balenciaga sunglasses for ages, but all of the ones that I tried on just didn't suit me, whereas these, you're probably thinking they don't suit you, but bitch, they do. What is this giving? So yeah, these are the expander shades, and I absolutely love them. Great for summer. If you followed my channel for a long time, then you'll know that I wear my Gentle Monster sunglasses like all the time. So I just wanted like another option, especially like a reflective pair as well. So I thought these were really fun. This is obviously not the outfit that I would wear the Crocs with. So don't anybody say anything because I'm just wearing it around the house. So you can either do the strap or not the strap, like either or. What are we thinking? In terms of sizing as well, I would go true to size. Like usually in Balenciaga I size down, but these are obviously made by Crocs. So the sizing is like on point because I'm a UK 8, which is a European 42, and these are a 42 and they fit perfectly. So I would stick to your regular size. Let's go do some chores. Also, before I forget, this is what they gave me at the Sloane Street store as well. So then when I went to the New Bond Street as well, they were doing this as well. So they're giving everyone I think it's a carnation, which I think is Demna's favorite flower, in this little Balenciaga test tube. So I've got 2 of these now, but it's really, really cute. Such a nice little offering for when you visit these store openings. But it won't stay up because I think it's dead, so. It's gonna leave it like that. It's kind of cute now. Okay, the first task is stairs. Okay. Sidestep in. They're just V beefy. Like, I love them. But I have to go down the steps like this. Oh. Whoa. Oh. I just filmed the whole unboxing of our new bedding on slow-mo. This is what happens when I use my freaking iPhone to film. Oh. I'm still wearing the Crocs. What I came over to say to the camera and noticed that it was on slow-mo was that they're very comfortable. The Crocs are comfy. They're just cumbersome. They're large. They're like big. So moving around is, you're not very like agile, if you know what I mean. I'm about to make the bed. I think I did this the wrong way around. You know what Scott made us? Get these pillows from the white company that are like better for your neck, but they're so ugly in a pillowcase. I'm just realizing this now. These are gonna look so ugly maybe. Okay, why am I so bad at doing that? Oh my god. Obviously it has a lot of creases in it because it just came out the packet. I just want to check that it all fits. It actually does, and it looks really cute. Ignore Scott's lamp because we're changing that. And we're also getting a headboard behind as well. But I love the color. It's a shame you can't really see it on the camera properly. This is the kind of like taupe. I think you can see it more there, or even here. No. What keeps happening is the metal bits keep like banging into each other as I'm walking. I do not recommend these for doing housework in. I recommend these for strutting down the street in like a real chic look, heading to some party or something, not for your like everyday errands, unless you're, you know, that bitch. Like, it's up to you. I don't know why I'm so tired lately. Like, I wake up, I have a coffee, I go to the gym, I come back from the gym, I shower, I get ready, I reply to work emails, I film any like reels or TikToks that I've been thinking of. It's like a day at home, right? I go out and do a food shop. I go out and do little errands, like if I have to return stuff, if I have to pick stuff up from the shops in the town and stuff. This is like just a regular day. Like, I guess like, because some days I'm going out shooting, taking pictures with my friend Tom. Some days I'm going to like events. Some days I'm going to meetings in central London and stuff. But I guess on those days, I don't have a chance to be tired because I'm just like, I'm in it. Like I'm out already. Like I'm up, I'm ready, I'm gone. Whereas days like this where I'm at home, where I'm left to my own devices, I'm a bit more like lethargic and like whatever. But this bedding feels really nice. I took the Crocs off. I'm not a sicko. I don't wear shoes in bed. The Crocs are really cool, but I can't wait for you guys to see the picture that I posted that I styled the other day of I wore the Crocs with a suit and I thought they looked so good. So I'm excited to post that. So keep your eyes out on my Instagram. I'm also going to be posting more videos on my TikTok as well. So if you already follow me on Instagram, thank you. If you don't, what are you doing? If you don't follow me on Instagram or TikTok, go do both. Like, what are you waiting for? On Instagram now, I've introduced favorites, so you can save me to your favorites, which would be a really good help because it actually pushes up your favorites in your home feed. Oh, my mum is coming tomorrow, kind of like a belated Mother's Day, so I get to hang out with her this weekend. So I'll be vlogging because I know you guys love a shopping with my mum kind of video, so we will of course be shopping, going out to eat and stuff. So that will be lovely because I've not seen her in a while. And then what else? That's kind of it at the moment. I do actually have to like tidy the entire house now though. You can see the taupe now, right? This room was white, so it was all the same color as the wardrobes. So we painted the rest of it that taupe, which I really like. Anyway, I better go before I fall asleep. I'll see you guys next time.